When you think of Australia, what's the first thing that pops into your head? Perhaps the outback kangaroos or maybe koalas. But did you know there's another thing that Australia is also known for? Sharks. You might be surprised to learn that there are over 500 different species of shark worldwide, with more than 120 of them calling Australia home. And when it comes to the state of Queensland, it's no exception. With its warm, inviting waters, Queensland has become a hotspot for shark lovers and researchers alike. In fact, it is estimated that every year around 3,000 sharks come close to shore in the area between Hervey Bay and Mackay. Queensland is famous for its incredible marine life and one particular resident that draws in tourists from all around the world, humpback whales. Every year they travel to the Great Barrier Reef to breed and give birth in the warm, shallow waters. And guess who happens to love munching on whale meat? Sharks. That's right, the abundance of whales in the area makes it a prime location for shark activity. But not only are there plenty of sharks in the water, there's also plenty of people wanting to enjoy it too. Now here's where things get a little tricky. As much as we love these magnificent creatures, humans don't always have the best reputation amongst the shark community. We tend to get in their way, whether by destroying their habitats or getting a little too close for comfort. But in Queensland, they've come up with a unique solution to keep everyone safe: shark nets. Yes, you heard that right. These massive nets are placed in the ocean to protect swimmers and surfers from shark attacks. It might sound like a controversial topic, but trust me, it works. Since the introduction of shark nets in the 1960s, Queensland has seen a significant decrease in shark attacks. So if you're planning a trip to this beautiful state, don't worry, you'll be swimming in safety. But while the nets might be effective at keeping us safe from sharks, they can also prevent us from seeing these amazing creatures up close and personal. But don't worry, because thanks to some dedicated organizations, we can still catch a glimpse of these magnificent animals. With the help of responsible tourism operators, we can go on shark cage diving adventures or even swim with whale sharks. Now let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of sharks and learn more about the ones that call Queensland home. One of the most notorious shark species found in Queensland waters is the bull shark. These huge predatory fish can grow up to 4 meters in length and are known for their aggressive behavior. Despite their fearsome reputation, bull sharks are actually quite elusive, preferring to stay hidden in murky waters. However, they are most active during the night when they venture closer to shore in search of food. Bull sharks are not just dangerous for humans, but for other marine life as well. They are apex predators, which means they sit at the top of the food chain and feed on almost anything they come across. Their diet consists of fish, turtles, dolphins, and even other sharks. This makes them a crucial part of the marine ecosystem as they help keep the populations of other species in check. But how do we know so much about bull sharks? Well, thanks to the hard work of organizations like Nature Australia, we have learned a lot about these creatures. For example, through satellite tracking, we have discovered that bull sharks travel vast distances along the coast of Queensland. This helps us understand their behavior and allows researchers to monitor their movements to better predict their presence in certain areas. This information is not just interesting for shark enthusiasts, but it's also vital for the safety of humans. By understanding where and when bull sharks are most active, authorities can take the necessary precautions to protect swimmers and surfers. So thanks to the work of these organizations, we can appreciate the beauty and danger of bull sharks from a safe distance. Another shark species that calls Queensland home is the tiger shark. Unlike the elusive bull shark, the tiger shark is a bit more visible, often spotted close to shore during the day. They are known for their distinctive striped pattern, which they use to camouflage themselves in the murky waters. This makes them both beautiful and mysterious, as they are often seen swimming past surfers and swimmers without being noticed. Tiger sharks are scavengers, which means they feed on dead animals. This helps keep the ocean clean and prevents the spread of disease, but it also puts them in close contact with humans. As we head to the beach, we need to be aware of our surroundings and take precautions to prevent encounters with these large predators. But not all sharks are as scary as the bull shark or the tiger shark. Let's take a look at one that's a bit more gentle: the whale shark. Whale sharks are the largest fish in the world, reaching lengths of up to 12 meters. Despite their massive size, they are filter feeders, which means they don't hunt prey but instead eat tiny plankton and krill. This makes them harmless to humans and a popular destination for tourists looking to swim with these gentle giants. Whale sharks are found in tropical oceans around the world, including Queensland waters. They usually migrate to the area between April and August in search of food. When they arrive, they are welcomed by a feast of plankton and krill, thanks to the blooming of local seagrass meadows. These meadows provide a habitat for small fish and invertebrates that in turn attract larger animals, creating a rich ecosystem that sustains. Whale sharks. It's important to note that whale sharks are endangered species due to overfishing and habitat destruction, but thanks to conservation efforts, their numbers are slowly increasing. If you're lucky enough to spot one in the wild, remember to admire it from a safe distance and don't disturb its natural behavior. Let's explore another shark that calls Queensland home, the hammerhead shark. These unique creatures are easily identified by their distinctive head shape which resembles a hammer. They use this unique feature to their advantage as it allows them to sense electrical signals in the water, making it easier to find prey. Hammerhead sharks come in various sizes, ranging from the small bonnethead to the massive great hammerhead. While they are generally not aggressive towards humans, they can pose a risk if provoked. Their strong jaws and sharp teeth can cause serious injuries. One of the scariest shark attacks ever recorded in Australia was the 1959 Christmas Island disaster. On Christmas Island, a group of fishermen encountered a massive shark that attacked their boat and devoured several crew members. This event was later discovered to be the work of a great white shark, a species commonly found in Queensland waters. While such attacks are rare, it's important to remember that sharks are powerful predators and should be respected. Attacks like the Christmas Island disaster serve as a reminder of the importance of safety measures, such as shark nets and listening to local warnings. To further ensure the safety of swimmers, Queensland has implemented a comprehensive shark control program. This program includes regular patrols by lifeguards, as well as the use of technology such as drones and spotter planes to monitor shark activity. In addition, there are warning systems in place to alert beachgoers of any potential danger. Despite these safety measures, it's important to remember that no beach is completely shark-proof. Therefore, it is crucial to be aware of your surroundings and follow safety guidelines to reduce the risk of attack. Remember to never swim alone, stay close to lifeguards, and avoid entering the water if there are any warnings or signs of shark activity. If you're still itching for a thrilling adventure, you can also visit one of the many aquarium and marine parks in Queensland. These facilities offer a safe and educational experience where you can learn about sharks and other marine life up close. Some of these parks even allow you to feed sharks or swim with them in a controlled environment. Overall, Queensland's commitment to safety and education is commendable and serves as a model for other coastal communities around the world. By working together, we can ensure that both humans and sharks can thrive in our shared environment. That's all for today, folks. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring the fascinating world around us.